Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to move draft vendor approval when your order in product price is higher than your set rate price. You can see here our module Dev Purchase Order Vendor Approval. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to purchase, go to vendor, select N1 and see here these options purchase order limit. First allow this, set here your limit and select users like a Michelle admin. Let's save. Now go to purchase order, create news. Select here same like a SU, add product like a storage box. And set here product price is more than my set rate price. Here I add 2000. Let's save. Now click on this confirm order button. So you can easily see here move draft to vendor approval because my unit price is more than stated price. Now click on this confirm order. So easily move in purchase order. Thank you.